Today's objective is to understand the concepts that multiplication is repeated addition. Today, the learner will create a multiplication fence to practice multiplication facts and skip counting. For this activity, you will need 2 Sharpies. One needs to be black and one needs to be a different color. You will also need 13 wide craft sticks, scissors, and masking tape that is about ½ inch wide. Your first step is to set out your 13 craft sticks with a little bit of space in between each one. Once you've laid out your 13 craft sticks, you're going to take your masking tape, cut a piece off, and you're going to fold the ends in a little bit and put them down on your table. And you want to make sure that it's tight. After you fold the ends of your tape under, you want to make sure the sticky side of the tape is facing up. Now, after you've stuck your tape down, you're going to place your 13 craft sticks onto the tape with a little bit of space up above each one. Now, once you've stuck all your craft sticks to the tape, you're going to peel up the 2 ends, and then you're going to flip it down this way, and then put your tape back down. Now, after you've flipped your fence, you're going to take your masking tape, and you're going to tape about 6 or 7 more rows overlapping just a little bit, and make your tape extend out to the sides. We're going to put strips of tape all the way down, so we will have about 7 or 8 rows. Then we will flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. After you've taped the front side of your fence, you should have about 7 or 8 rows of tape. Okay, after you've taped down your craft sticks, you're going to peel them up, all the tape, and you're going to flip it over. Then you're going to take your scissors, and you're going to cut the tape off the sides, but leave a little space on the ends. So you cut it, and then you're going to fold the tape over. Fold it down. Then do the same thing to the other side. Leaving a little bit of space on the end to fold the tape over. Now, after you've flipped your craft sticks and you've folded your tape over, you're going to do the same thing to the other side. You're going to tape down right on top of where you taped before. And again, you're going to tape about 7 pieces of tape down your craft sticks to make your fence. after you've taped the back side of your fence, you're going to peel it up again and flip it over. And you're going to do the same thing. You're going to cut the sides, leaving a little bit of space at the end. And you're going to fold it over, just like we did before. You're going to do the same thing to the other side. Leave a little bit of space. And then fold it over. Once you've taped both sides of your fence, you're going to fold it up like an accordion all the way to the end and squeeze it really tight, open it up, and then you're going to fold it up the other way. We just want the tape to get a little loose. Now using our colored Sharpie, we're going to put an X in the top left corner. Then we will number 1 through 12 across the top and 1 through 6 or 1 through 7 down the left side, depending on how many rows of tape you have. Then we will flip it over and do the same thing except write 8 through 12 down the left side. Now on this first stick, we're going to number each piece of tape all the way down using your colored Sharpie. We're going to start with X at the top because that's our multiplication sign. So we start with X, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now across the top, we're going to number all the way through 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Time! 2! Multiply! Now we're going to start multiplying the numbers across the top by the numbers down the side to fill in our multiplication fence. Okay, now we're going to take our black Sharpie, and once we've numbered all the way down the side and across the top, we're going to multiply. So, 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. We're going to do our 1s all the way down, then our 2s. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Now we're going to do 2s all the way down. Do our 3s. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. We're going to do this all the way across to fill in all of our tape.
2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 6, 2, 4, 8, 2, 5, 10, 2, 6, 12, 2, 7, 14, 2, 8, 16, 2 times 9 equals 18, and 2 times 10 equals 20.
After we've numbered the whole front side and we've done our multiplication to fill it all in, we're going to take our colored marker and flip it over and do the back. So we're going to start with our multiplication sign, and we're going to go from 7, then we're going to go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then across the top, we're going to number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, we're going to do the same thing that we did on the front. So 1 times 8 is 8. 1 times 9 is 9. We're going to do that all the way down.
1, 3, 3, 2, 6, 3, 3, 9, 3, 4, 12, 3, 5, 15, 3, 6, 18, 3, 7, 21, 3, 8, 24.
Now, after we've numbered both sides of our multiplication fence, we can use it to figure out answers. So say we want to find 8 times 4. We find our 8 and we find our 4 on this side, and we pull them together and they meet at 32. So 8 times 4 is 32. Now let's say we want to know 7 times 9. We find our 7, find our 9, bring them together. 7 times 9 is 63. We can also use this multiplication fence to practice skip counting. We can go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. We can do that for any of the numbers on our fence.